that one plus or divide?
Divide. Is that you do question 3, eh? Okay, so we go to question number 2 first. Now, Izzat say number 4, Akil say number 1. Who is correct? Okay, let's see. Okay, this, I think one of you did this. You take 4,000 divided by 100. Cancel 20, cancel 20, get 40. Cannot be lah. This is 100 divided by 4,000. This is number, so number 1 is not right. You terbalikkan, cannot. You must 100 over 4,000. Then how to do? Okay, we do step by step lah. This one you can cancel both. Can cancel both. Get 1 over 40. So you can make it to, okay, let me see. Maybe we don't cancel both lah. We try to divide this by 4. Divide by 4, you get 1,000. Divide by 4, you get 25. 25 over 1,000. 3 blanks. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, 3 blanks. 1, 2, 3 with a dot over here. Put the 25 here. And then it's like that. Okay, now. Can okay, so remember, your mind will sometimes do this, no? Small number, how to be divide number. Then you go and change the question automatically without yourself realizing now. So you got to be careful of that. We try now question number 30 and question number 4. Can?
So answer correct.
Okay, let's see whether you're right, but we're waiting for Izzat. Izzat can do Izzat. Number 3. You move to question number 4, okay? But we're gonna wait for Izzat. Izzat can do that, Izzat. Cannot? Okay, then we go through now. There's 2 types of cookies, chocolate, raisins. And then there's total lah. Now, you know the 36 of them, chocolate. Raisins, you take 60 minus 36 is 24. Total, they already give it to you. So now what's your comparison? Ratio of chocolate to total. 36 to 60 lah. Not 60 to 36, no. 36 to 60. Both can divide by 6. Can divide by 2. 3:5. So how do you get 2:2? That's a question. Maybe you're looking total versus raisins. Okay, this one very simple, right? They tell you chocolate to total, and total they give you, and chocolate they also give you. So 30 to 36 to 60 should be easy. You try now. Next one, question number 4. Guys, you cannot get this wrong, guys. Okay, Akil. Well done, Akil. What about Izzat? Can you do Izzat? Well, okay, well done. Wow. You all use a calculator? I hope you all did use calculator. Okay, so if you take 5 divided by 8, you get 0.625, then add a 1.625, right? For sure, you know that these two are out. Because there's a 1 hole here. This one is also out. It's either one of these two. But if you take 5 divided by 8, it's 0.625, so 1.625. Okay, well done for that. Well done. Hold on. Okay. This is divide, divide. Okay, you got to check. Oh, is that? Is that done, eh? Akil, do you do the flip? Let's do the flip, eh? You've done. Izzat can do Izzat? Cannot? Hey, are you sure not you? Please don't say cannot. Now we have gone through this many times. Come on, Izzat. You can do this. The force is with you, Izzat. Izzat said two. Okay, both answers are not correct. Eh? Look, boys. Can divide by 3, you get 3. Can divide by 3, you get 4. That's all. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 5, 15. Come on, hey, you cannot make this mistake like that at all. You all know what? You need to flip this one, right? 12 over 5. Then reduce. It's very simple one. Yeah, okay, you try the next one. Okay, this will be easy. Average, remember Mr. Tan. No using calculator, please. Well done, Akil. Is that come? What is that, Akil? Looks like a gun.
It's a tool for skateboard.
For skateboard. Come on, Izzat. Okay, now Izzat. Yeah, Izzat. What's the total? You add the total. Total divided by number. Average equals to total divided by number. Total add on this, how much you get? The numbers are there. 1, 2, 3. Number 11, be number 1. You divide, you get 24. She add together 33 plus 27, 60. 60 plus 0. Then after you plus 45, 50, get 120. Divide by 5 numbers, you get 24, number 4. Okay, the next one. But you learn average rate, right? Is that? Average is total, you add all of them. You must remember total, average, you total, divide by the numbers down here. You can now, maybe you're not feeling, are you sick today? No, okay. All right, come, we try the next one now. Number 7, please. Let's see, huh? Okay, one person say one person 2. Okay, we do this way. 20 marbles, $5. Is that then now you want to get, let's say you want to get how many marbles? Let's say you want to divide by 2 lah, 10 marbles. You divide here by 2, you divide here by 2, you get 250, you know. Half of $5 is 250. And then you want to find 1 marble, divide by 10. Divide by 10, you got to shift down here, 0.25. Can see now, is that? Can, huh? Or if you are not comfortable, you can do like that, 20 marbles, 500 cents. You can do like that. Cancel 1, cancel 1. 2 marbles is 50 cents. 50 cents, not $50, 50 cents. Then 1 marble you divide by 2, get 25 cents. 25 cents is the same as down here lah. This 25 cents. Okay, so you got to be on the alert. Your mind cannot drift. No, both of you. When you do this maths, you can do this. This is quite easy. You can do this. Okay, we tried. Rhombus. Oh, okay, you send your answer. Well done. Is that? Okay, you try the next one as well. Even you cannot see the choices, you can get an answer. Okay, what number of you got correct? Yeah? Just run through, see whether, I hope it's not fluke. Yeah? Down here, it's also 70. Why? This is the opposite side of a rhombus. Rhombus is like a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. Opposite angles are the same. So this is 70 also. Rhombus, all sides are the same. So this becomes an isosceles triangle. To find this angle, 180 minus 70, answer divide by 2. You get 110. Then 110 divided by 2. So 112 divided by 0, you get 55. So well done. Okay, you get 55. Okay, try the next one. Okay, please try the next one. just a moment, eh? Okay, let's see. What about kill? Is that well done? What about Akil? 4. Now, how did you all get 4? Let us see. You want to find X, right? How did you get 4? 360 minus 90 minus 115, is it?
I get by that one.
How did
115 minus 90. Then I what's it called? I found that side already, right?
okay.
Then
And you
I that
plus.
one circle.
Okay. Is that you do the
Yeah.
same way? Okay, well done, Akil. Well
That
done.
180 minus that one. Yeah.
Okay, can. So all right, well done. Okay, so you all take 115 minus 90, you get 25 down here, right? So down here is also 25. And 180 minus 25, we get that. Well done. Okay, that's one way. Can we also do it 360? This one is a straight line, right? So this one must be 90 or so. We can take 360 minus 90 minus 115, also get this thing. But okay, doesn't matter which way you're doing, so long as you know how to get home. Get home meaning how to get answer lah. Okay, you gotta think through this one, eh? You gotta think through. Oh, our friend is coming in. Okay, Shakir is coming in. So let's see. It's true. Hold on, Akim. Okay, congratulations to Mr. Akil. Well done. This part is a little bit confusing.
Sure.
So, yeah.
What do this?
Okay, so we got to find out now. Now we go one by one. We got to see whether they are true. So now they say down here, A plus this, they say is equal to B plus this. Is it true? We know that A and C are equal, but we do not know what is B, what is D. We don't know what it is. So we cannot say they are equal. What we can say is A is equals to C, B is equals to D. This is correct. But we cannot say this is, let's say 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. If this one is 100, this one must be 80. So it doesn't mean that it's the same. So that's why we put a cross on there. I just give an example of 100 here. The next one is actually the answer. Why? A plus E is the same as C plus G. Why? Because A is the same as C, E is the same as G. So A plus E is the same as C plus G, correct? Why? Because A has the same value as C. E has the same value as G. So this plus this is the same as this plus this. This is correct. So you have to go through one by one, okay? And see, is it true or not? This may be time consuming. I don't really like this type of question because you're gonna really think carefully. Okay, here we go. Percentage. You can do this, percentage.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is this like 24 out of 100? 25 out of 100?
Yeah.
Times 40.
No. You want to find the boys.
Huh?
How many percent is the boy?
The boys is 40.
Oh, no, girls is
Am I correct?
girls. Okay, hold just a moment. Okay, let's see. According to Ansky, you're correct. So let us see. So down here, Mr. Shakir,
Huh?
there is, I draw like that. Okay. Is that you try to do? Is that possible? This one 25%. This one, the balance how many percent? This is total, Shakil.
Yes.
Adult. Children is how many percent? Adult is 25.
Is
You minus,
40.
not 40.
I don't.
You must
I don't
minus.
know.
The whole thing is 100%. Every time the whole thing is 100%. So if let's say 25% is children, you minus 25, you get 75. 75 is children. I repeat, the whole thing is made up of adults, boys and girls. Okay, let's say now I use down here is girls lah. Down here is boys. So 25% is the adults. The balance is 75%. How you get 75%? You see, Shakil said it's not inside the question. Yes, you must minus. 100% is total, minus 25, get 75 is the children. Now, out of this 75%, the girls is 40%. 40% of the children. So this one is also the new 100%. This is 40%. What's the balance if it's 40%? This one must be 60%. But it's not 60%
Why
of
the one
every,
can be 60? Yeah.
because
But
this
100 times 25.
how okay. Down here they give 40, right?
So
This, yeah.
so basically, is it like 40 plus 25 minus 100?
That's a very fast way. But the problem is if you do that way, that is not correct for the girls. Okay, that's a fast way if it's correct. First of all, there is 200% here. So let us see. 100% now. This 100% is of all the visitors. Okay, 100% is all the visitors. 25% is adults. So the balance must be 75%. The balance must be 75%. Why? Because 100 minus 25 is 25. So 75% is children. Now, they now tell you another 100%. 100% can change. This is 100% of the children. 100% of the children. 40% here. 60% here. Okay. 40% is girls. 60% is boys.
Okay.
But this is of the children, 100% of the children. So now, if you want to find how many percent of the participants were boys, you take 60% out of 100 times by 75, because the children is considered 75%. This is how you do it. So I want to know how Akil got the correct answer, but was it
I don't
by luck?
really understand.
Okay, that's right. So
I got an answer like, because I know that the adult was 25%, then I know that the children of girls was 40%. They wanted the percent of boys.
yes, then
I
how?
just took 40 and 25 plus, right? Then I minus 100.
Cannot.
How can I get answer?
Okay, so now let's see. This 40% of the children, or children is down here, 70%, 75%, you know. So now let's say Shakir say don't understand. This is 40% of the children. Children is 75%. So you can take 40%. We do Akil's method now.
Yeah.
40 over 100 times 75. What do you get? Let's see. We get this one. We get 4. This one we get 3, and then this one can divide by. Yeah.
I try.
Then means this one is 30, no? This 40% of the children is the same as 30% of the participants. Now you can use your method, Akil. 100 minus 25 minus 30. Then you will get 45. Correct. Now, if you take 100 minus 25 minus 40, you get how many? You get 35. You get number 2. You said the answer is number 3. Correct, not? Akil, you take 100 minus 25 minus 40, what do you get? 35, you know. You gave me,
Yeah.
you gave the answer is number 3. Number 3 is correct. So your mistake in calculation give you the right answer.
35 is it, sir?
35, oh, no. No, that is the
Because
wrong,
I do the method 100 minus 40 minus 25.
that one is the wrong method. That one is, okay, why is it wrong? Okay, now you got to understand. Now here, you look at this one now. 25% of the participants, this is of everything, not all the people here, the red color, everything. 40% of the children is not everything, it's only the children is this much only. So that's why you cannot copy, you cannot add 40 and 25 because 25 is of everything. So you say you don't understand now. I give you an example about money. Now for example, okay, Shakil, he got $10 lah. At home in his wallet, he got $10. Shakil, so now he's going to give. Okay, I would write down here. Shakil got $10. Hold on, Shakil got $10. Now he's going to give 50%. 50% is half, you know. So he give away $5. Right? Now, I cannot say that he, let's say not Izzat. Izzat got $1,000. Let's say like Izzat. Okay. I cannot say that Izzat's 50% is the same as Akil 50%. Izzat's 50% is $500. Can you see now? There's a two different hundred. This Izzat's one is because he got so much money. Okay, down here, so same thing down here. At first, let's say all the participants is very long, no, from here to here, you know. The children is only from here to here. So you must look at what they are saying here, of the participants, of the children. These two different 100%. See, what is two different 100%? Sheikh Akil's 100% is $10. Nurizat's 100% is $1,000. It depends on what you are talking about. Okay, never mind. We'll come back to this later. I'll give you another question later. So I hope you get a little bit of it. We will try. We try this one. Question number 12. Do this, you need to find out what's 100%. Well done, Akil. Well done. Later we check your method again. Okay? Is that okay? Is that, let's see, what was Sheikh Akil? Sheikh Akil again, or we do together? Okay, Sheikh Akil, we do together, Sheikh Akil.
I don't really know.
Okay, I'm going to ask you now.
Just wait. Is it like this 40 out of 100 times 420?
Cannot do like that.
40 out of 420?
Cannot use that formula. You must first, oh, you want to do that way?
I don't know. I just do.
You must find out what's 100%. First of all, how many percent is this?
This is 420.
But this is in dollars. But how many percent is it? This is price after discount.
4.20%.
No. You must think carefully. Total original price 100%. Discount is 40%. Discount means tak bayar-bayar 40%. So this price is after the discount, you know. Price after discount. So you minus, this is 60%. This price is 60%. So what you want to find? You want to find the discount. You want to find what is 40%. So 60% is 420. You want to find what is 40%. So if let's say Sheikh Akil say, can we use a formula? Can, but you must know this now. How to use the formula? Okay, we show Sheikh Akil down here, watch. What you want to find? You want to find this 40%. 40 over what? This one must be percent, 60 times 420. Why is it like that? Okay, first of all, remember 1 is here, right? Second thing, you want to find 40. We write 40 here. If this is percent, below must be percent. So below is percent, and this percent is equal to 420. This is what the formula method is, but it can be very confusing for some of you. So my suggestion is go to 10% from here. 60 divided by 6, you get 10. 10% is how much? 420 divided by 6, you get $70. Now you can see it clearly now. Then now you times 4. Times 4. You get 280. So, okay, so this is one way. Some students cannot see this one. So I'm going to say, if you cannot see this one, very simple. You must find 100%. This is 60%. What is 100%? Okay, we try 10% first. Or you want 1%, I get 1%. Okay, 1%, you divide this by 60. If you divide by 60, how much you get? You get $7. Okay, good. Then you want to find 100%. Take 100%. You times by 100, $700. And then this is the amount of money you pay. Take 700 minus 420. 700 minus 420 equals to 280. Another method. Okay. I think maybe Shakir doesn't understand. Izzat, you understand? Izzat, you understand? Izzat? Akil, you understand, right? Akil, then you understand, right? Of course, I understand. See, I got the answer correct. What about Izzat? Izzat, you understand? Right? Shakir, how? Cannot. You must understand the concept. What is discount or discount?
I understand.
But this one is a yeah. All right, right. Okay. Here we go. Sometimes the students say, I think I understand because you want to get rid of the tutor. Okay, we move on to the next one. Yes. Yes. Yes, mister. Yes, Shakir. Yeah. Why? You want the story? Yeah.
How many seconds you hear my voice?
How many one? How many seconds I hear your voice?
No, like I see you when I call you like 1 minute later you when then
No,
you realize.
immediate. You can ask the rest.
Why is it my network?
I think it's your network now. Because when you say ch, I say yes. Then you say ch again, I say yes. That means
Okay.
when I say yes, you didn't hear. Okay, that's right.
Am I correct?
Wow, that's very fast. Huh? Very fast, very fast. Just a moment. Huh? I don't think you're correct. So sorry, you're not correct. Must be careful, huh? You must make this as a ratio also lah. You can write this like this. You can write this like this, huh? You have blue is to red. You don't know. Is to green. And then you can write total of them. You can always do this method like that. You say, you know what is this? This is blue. What? 1 is blue. 4 is total lah, all the 3 colors. So you can put 1 is to what? 4 down here. Okay, now you get it correct. But let us see. Down here we don't know lah. But we know blue to total is 1 is to 4. Then red to green. Red to green is 4 is to 5. Can you see? Now, we got to make it the same. So how to make it the same? Red and green, how many units? 9 units. Total, let's say 4 units. Alamak, how total 4 units? Okay, we take 4 minus 1. What do you get? You get 3. This one is 3. Can you make this the same as the 9? Can you times by 3? This one must times 3 also. So let's say blue, go. Then blue is 3. Go. Then this one, you times 3, so 12. Total is 12. This one is 4 is to 5. Now they want what? Red, go. 4 is to 12. Red to total. So 4 over 12 is, we divide by 4, 1 is to 3. Now, you may not get it the first time, so I'm going to use another method, a less messy method. Okay, so now we go step by step. Down here, I draw now. This time I draw a model. Are you okay?
Hello?
You went toilet there. You see and go. You see and go toilet? No. Was it you?
Yeah. Yeah, go.
Yeah, go. I told you. Or is it I'm lagging? I hope not. This one is blue.
Yeah,
I'm lagging. Are you sure now?
just now.
Okay. So blue is 1 unit. The balance must be the 3 units, right? These 3 units is what? 3 units are red and green. Red and green. Then we find out the red and green. How many units altogether? 4 is to 5. Altogether, you add is 9. So from here to here is 9. So how much is 1 unit? 9 divided by 3. I get 3 units. So blue must be how many? Blue must be 3 units or so lah. So do you want to know the rate? Rate to the total. Total is how many units? 3, 12. Total is 12. Rate is 4. Now you can divide by 4. What do you get? 1 is to 3. You can also do it by this method. I do not know, whichever method you feel you understand, you use it. So I repeat, first thing is they tell you, Shiaki, you see now, 1/4 is blue. So I draw 4, I shade 1. This 1/4 is blue lah. That means the balance 3 squares must be red and green because they tell you there's only 3 colors here. And what are the 3 colors? Blue, red, green. So blue is really 1 out of 4. Red and green must be 3 squares. And these 3 squares is equal to 9 units. How do you know? They say red is 4, green is 5. Add together become 9. So 3 squares represent 9. 1 square, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this is 3, this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. Once you get this, it's very easy. The number of red bits, they give you down here what? 4. Total is 12. 3, 3, 3, 3. So 4 over 12. You reduce, you get 1 over 2. Okay, I hope you get it. You try this one.
Teacher,
Yes. Yes.
teacher tadi tu ada 7 times 14 right?
You want to find what?
Perimeter.
Perimeter, remember the formula for circumference. Pi times d. D, yeah? So now, if in order to find that, you are going to be finding this big circle punya. But what is diameter?
Perimeter is
Diameter,
like a circle and it has a line.
line, the long line or not short line.
Full
No.
line.
So how much is
Is
the
it number
diameter?
1?
That is a
Okay, just-
semicircle je.
Okay, now it's full circle lah. So now what you need to do, you must find, hold on. I think it's too short. Your answer, Mr. Akhil, let me see. Akhil, the answer too short. Too small. So Shakil, down here you find the whole thing lah. Pi times d. Yeah, 22/7 times d. What you're giving is radius. This is radius. You must have double. 14. 14 plus 14. 28.
Okay.
Then you get the whole thing.
Or is it 22 plus 14 plus another 14?
Okay, hold on. Yeah, they're supposed to be 14, 14 lah.
Oh,
You must
so
have
it's
14, 14. Like
number
here.
2.
Okay, hold on. We check.
22 plus 28.
Okay, we check whether it's correct. So now this one, Shakil, once you do, you get 88. But 88 is for the whole thing. This whole circle. You don't want the whole circle. You only want 1/4 of it. Why? You only want this part because this part, perimeter is which part? This part plus here plus here. Akhil says correct. You must plus this 14.
No, it's number 3.
Number 3,
Yeah,
How much
number
you get?
3.
How much you get? Yeah.
50.
50.
50, 50, 50.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
see whether 50. Whether you're correct. Now, after you get 88, Shakil, you must divide by 4. Why? Because you only want 1 only. There are 4, down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you divide by 4, you get 22. Then you plus 14. And then you plus another 14. And Akhil is correct, you get 50. So, okay. Let's see. If you're confused, we go through step by step. Perimeter is the outside part. You want to find the whole thing. This one we know 14. How do you know radius is 14? What? Down here is also radius, what? 14. So 14, 14 we know. Only this part we don't know. But we have the formula for full circle. Pi times d, 22/7 times 28. Why 28? The diameter is 28. 14 plus 14. You times, you get 88. But you do not want this part. You do not want this part. You do not want this part. You only want this part. You only want 1/4, 1 out of 4. So you divide 88 by 4. Okay, you divide by 4, you get 22. And then what do you do? 22 plus 14 plus 14 get 50. Alamak, Shakil, where are you, Shakil? I'm explaining to you, the solar left lah. Joker lah this guy. Ustaz Akhil, apalah ni? Okay, Izan, are you okay, Izan? Okay, now we do next one. Okay, we go to the next part. We want you to write this in numbers, yeah.
What do they mean by in one figure?
Write in number, What's the number? You type the number you send me.
3 million.
Come on, you can do this. You never know. One day you might have this amount of bank notes inside your safe, or you might have this amount of money in your bank. Send me the number. You must be able to do this. Primary 5 work. Primary 5 work. Okay, Akhil. May Allah grant you this amount of money in your bank.
Teacher,
Yeah.
is it 3, 0,
Hold on,
4, 0?
30401.
001.
001 like that. 304001 like that, is it? Shakil, is this your answer? Yeah, you type now, just type to me and just send.
I don't want.
What you do want?
Like this.
Okay, so 304001. Let us see that is correct.
Huh?
Okay. Akil, your answer is correct. Ray. Why you type this one, Akil? Oh, the next one, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now every 3 digits you put comma. Comma. 3 million, correct. 40,000, correct. And 1, correct. This is the correct answer. Well done, Shakil. But Shakil disappear. He asked me, give me the answer, he disappear. Izzat, can do not, Izzat? Can, right? You should answer the same as this one. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. Akil now says the answer is 3001. No, not true. You can
Can it be lower?
Yeah, you can make 29999 also can. 2999. The
Okay.
answer. What is the smallest possible answer near when you run off to nearest 100?
Oh, okay. What's that called? Like,
Nearest.
what do you mean?
Okay, now if let's say you say the smallest number is 3001, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If I convert to the nearest 100, yes, you get 3000. But if I put the number as 29999,
It will go up.
okay, because nearest 100, you underline 100. Look at the next number.
So 2555.
Okay, 2555. Nearest 100, we underline 100. Look at the next one. Okay, you must plus 1. It becomes 2600. So this is not. Depends not, because if you say nearest 1,000, your answer is correct. Down here.
299.
Okay, you said 2990. Okay, but 2990, you have to plus 1, right? You
Yeah.
plus 1, it becomes 3000, correct? But what about 29, let's say 60?
I don't think so.
You see, you underline the 100,
Yeah, but then you plus 27.
you plus 1, it becomes 20.
2970.
30. 30. You must plus to the 100 one. You still get 3000, you know.
Oh,
You still get 3000.
so you do 2900.
29.
Oh,
Let's say 290. We underline 100. We do next one. Do you plus 1? No. The answer will be 2900. I'll give you another one. 2901.
010. I mean, no, 2910.
10. Okay, 10. Let's say 2910. So now underline 100. You do the next one. You don't plus 1. It becomes 2900.
Oh, so 2950.
Now you are getting it. Why 2950? Because this one make it plus 1, right? So it becomes 3000. Correct. This is the smallest. How do we know it's the smallest? You try one number less.
2940 cannot.
2949. 2949. This one number less. You see down here, you underline, you look next, you don't plus 1, become 2900. So this is the smallest number. So don't think that it always must be bigger than 3000. It can be smaller. But you try it out now. You try it out like what we do. So if they say nearest 100, you underline the 100. You look at the digit beside. Do you plus 1? You try. You can try. You got enough time. Okay. Good attempts. I hope Shakil and Izzat are okay. Izzat, are you okay now, Izzat? Izzat, mind wandering now, Izzat. Come on, Izzat. Force yourself. Try yourself. You only got 6 more weeks, no? 6 more weeks. When is your PSLE? You don't have the exact date?
I think next 2 weeks or 1 week.
Okay, we try. Let's see. PSLE.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, 201.
Tomorrow is oral.
My math teacher say next Friday.
For your oral, is it?
Tomorrow
Teacher say
is
next Friday.
PSLE,
No.
Malay oral and English.
Okay, yeah, but now we are looking at the real dates for the
My
paper.
math teacher say next Friday.
This is your timetable. It's already given. 12th of August. Tomorrow is your Malay oral. Oh, Malay paper.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Oral.
That means
Oral
you have to
exam.
come to school at either 12 or 3 o'clock.
Yes. And Friday is your English oral, right?
Sir.
Yeah.
No,
No,
Friday
no,
from
no.
Manis, Wartong.
Okay. Then listening is on 17th September. And then your maths is on 1st
Teacher.
October. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
our last specially when?
Our what?
Our last specially.
Last PSLE paper.
Something on
Okay.
October.
5th of October.
Then we get to party.
Yeah. Now after that you can relax.
Okay, cannot
After that,
ada. I
we
think
ha-
I still want maybe I'm gonna die maybe.
Why? Everyone is gonna die lah. Everyone is gonna die, not you alone.
I mean, like, we can bring anything to school.
Yeah, you can bring you have games, you have going out. Now, so for your maths paper is Friday, October the 1st. Friday, yeah. So the last day we will have tuition in the evening, okay, at 8 o'clock or 7:45 lah, on Thursday night. Okay, Thursday night we have to 9:15. We'll have our maths tuition. Wednesday when you will practice for your English, right, next day, because Wednesday you will study for your English, right? So on Thursday after your English paper, we will have at night one class. Okay, but I'm telling you this 1st October, you know it's 1st October already. Okay, we go back now. We go back to this. So you have only how many days? Hey, look at your, you all know how many days now you all have? Sorry. How many days you all count? Don't count.
No.
I'm gonna, you must know
It's
your dates.
like 70 maybe like that. Like
70
80.
days. Okay, let's see now. We calendar down here. You can see down here. This is August. Today is down here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 days. 20 days for this month, plus another 30 days in September. You only have 50 days left. 1.5 months. So that's why if you got to push yourself, never mind, push yourself. This is your last bus. Okay? And you can do this, you can do this, but you got to practice maths at home. Then ask me the questions you don't know, you ask me now. Okay? If you don't ask me, wasted. Okay, we try now the next one. Okay, Sarah bought 10 meters of lace. You know what's lace now? It's a type of cloth, you know, that can see through. Okay, I just show you just so that you know the meaning. Lace cloth. Okay, down here. Lace cloth. Okay. This type, can you see this type? Ever seen this type of baju like that? This is lace. Okay, sometimes the Malay baju has it. Okay. Now, why is it important for you to know all this? You must know what you are reading about. Can we try this now? Question number 18. Come on, boys. Very easy, very easy. If you don't know how to do this, change this number. Change the number to 2 meters. How many 2 meter pieces can you get? Okay, if you do not know how to do, you change this to 2 meter. Let's say now you change 5. How you get 5? You take 10 divided by 2, correct? You get 5, right? Correct. Well done. Now the real one is not 2. The real is 2/5. So take 10 divided by 2/5. You will get your answer. Come on, you can do this. You can do this.
What?
Okay, just now you take I say imagine, imagine now. Imagine this one is, let's say, 2 meters lah. So I ask you, how many small 2 meter pieces can you get? So Akil says 10 divide, you get 5, right? You see? So 10 divided by 2, you get 5 lah. 5 pieces, correct. Now all you need to do is put the real number here. What's the real number? The real number is not 2. The real number is 2/5.
So
And
put
then-
one under the 10, then the 10 divided by
Yes, yes.
1, then
Then you can get, remember to do the flip, huh? Remember
Which
to do the flip.
oh,
Okay, don't say the answer, you type the answer in this so that the
but
rest,
then yeah. So 5.
you get it. Huh?
Yeah.
So you must remember that strategy, especially when you go secondary school, you got to use many times this type of strategy. Make it easy for yourself. Don't make it difficult. Izzat, come on, Izzat. Shakil, come on, Shakil. Okay, we got somebody else. Well done, Akil. Well done. Only Akil Ahdan is giving the answer. The rest, come on, guys. There's the 3 of you here. Only one is most active. Alamak. Let's swallow some. Mr. Izzat, you can do this, Izzat. Shakil, you can do this over 1. Then how? Change the divide to times now. Answer cannot be what? Answer then times by. Don't you flip the wrong one. You must flip the right side, 5 over 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. You get 1 on here, you get 5 on here. 5 times 5, 25. That means there's 25 pieces of the smaller pieces at 25 of them. Okay. Let me try the next one. This one looks like a good question. Think carefully. Water flowed into an empty tank. The tank is empty. Then it was completely filled after 25 minutes. This means it's completely full. What fraction of the tank was filled with water at the end of 15 minutes? 15 minutes is here. What fraction? Don't give the answer as that fraction. Fraction must have 2 numbers, bottom number and top number. Numerator and denominator, top and bottom.
Is it 1/3?
1/3 again. How much water was there at the end of 15 minutes? You tell me.
225.
No, that's end of 25 minutes. Okay, 225, correct. At the end. Then now at the end of 15 minutes is how much?
150.
You put that there now. You say 1/3 or 2/3?
Oh, okay.
Because they want fraction, right? So now you must compare to the total fraction. Remember, this is the total amount of water. 225. So if you divide by 75, you will get 2/3. See how to get 2/3? Even do slow method can. Divide by 5. How much you get? You get 30 down here. Divide by 5, you get 40, 45 down here. Divide by 5, you get 6 down here. Divide by 5, you get 9 down here. Divide by 3, you get 2 down here. Divide by 3, you get 3 down here. Okay, 2/3. Shakil, come back. Shakil. Are you there, Shakil? Come, you try this one now. Ini, bola ikan. But dealing with rate. Very easy lah.
3,000.
3,000 dia tak baca lah, dia tak baca. Careless please mister, you can get this. Come on.
Tak
Ini
second.
1 minute lah, in 1 minute now. 12 minutes. 12 minutes you go and find 50. How you get 50
600 divided by 12.
Divide by 12 lah. You see, Akil already is tired of it. Say so easy lah, son. Tapi easy pun can get wrong. Careful lah. So now how to do so? You can divide by 2, you get 6. Divide by 2, you get 300. Then what else? You can divide by 3, you get 100 here. You divide by 3, you get 2. And then divide by 2, you get 50. Divide by 2, you get 1. Okay, so 50. Answer 50. Well done, Akil. Izzat, your answer is still number 1. I don't see any other answer. What are you doing, Izzat? Don't dream, Izzat. Wake up, Izzat. Wake up, Izzat. Come on, come back. Izzat didn't go anywhere lah. Come back, Izzat. Share Akil, come on, share Akil. Share Akil. Nasheed. Share Akil, I sing for you, Nasheed. Share Akil. Nasheed ini. See, I got to be calling lah. Come. Angle. Angle and angel is different, BDE.
Yeah. 180 minus 50.
Okay, and then?
Jap.
Lepas tu, benar, so far benar. Okay.
You got 130.
Okay, and then?
You need to divide by 2.
No, how you divide by 2? This is not isosceles.
Okay, and then you need to minus 8.
Good, minus 8, and then?
48.
48. Okay, Izzat said 32.
Then you need to 360 minus 1 to 2.
1 to 2, where you get 1 to 2?
Is the D plus the 8?
You must
The
minus the 8. Okay, now. Well done, Izzat. I think Izzat.
80 minus 80, 50. Minus 8, you got 1 to 2.
Then don't forget to minus this 90 lah.
And then to minus 90, you got.
So Akil, this plus this equals to?
You got 32.
32. Down here is 32. So you can take 180 minus this, minus this. So you get your 32. Oh, you say I don't understand. You get it now, Akil?
Yes.
If you don't get it, you can take 180 minus 50 minus this, you get 40 for this one. Then 40 minus 8, you get 32. Can also lah, doesn't matter. Can. Well done, Izzat. You are back in the game, Izzat. Well done. This one lah, headache lah, this one. Find the total length of wire. Wire was bent to form the figure made up of 2 circles. Now I showed you this.
Only the circle, right? Only the 2 circles. Right?
Only the 2 circles, yes. But yeah, you all know what's the Malay word for this, right? I've told you many times, but where?
Bola.
Not bola, the metal, the wire that can be bent. Dawai, you remember dawai?
Nope.
I showed you before, right? I can bend. You all do not know what I'm talking about.
So what's the left of the 4 cm?
The left of the 4 cm.
What's the left, the thing that was left of the 4 cm?
So this one means there's extra wire left. You know? We must add. So after doing all this, you have 4 cm of wire left because they want you to find this one, then you must plus the 4.
Have to add 4 after we get
yes, must add.
Answer.
Okay, well done. That means you
Yeah,
are
you frozen.
I'm frozen or you're frozen? Me. Is it me?
Just now you were frozen.
Okay.
Yeah, just now you were.
I will use my phone now. Okay. I'll try use my phone. I feel it's your side. Izzat, do you see me frozen? Izzat? No, right? That means it might be your side.
That means
Because
we have
you
to
were
add
talking
4 after the answer, right?
Yes, must.
Okay.
Well done. That means you are reading the question. Very good, Akil. Are you starting to pass your papers now? No? Really?
Haven't yet lah. haven't even take the
Yeah.
prelim exam.
When's your prelim exam?
I don't
No
remember.
prelim.
Next Friday, next Friday.
You know why everything's all now like everything they have to compress together. Your prelim
Is it to
exam,
find the
your oral
circumference have
exam.
to do like 7 times 7 times the 2/7?
Okay, this one is 2 units. 2 units. This one is 1 unit. All together, how many units? Okay.
No, like I'm asking how to find the circumference. I forgot the formula.
Yeah, circumference pi times d. But hold on, before that, you must find the diameter. How much is the diameter of the first one?
It's 7.
7. This one is?
14.
So pi times d, you get 1 circumference.
Okay, thank
Then
you.
pi times d. Come on, Izzat. Come on, Izzat. Come on, Syakil. Come on, you can do this. Come on, Syakil. Come on.
66.
66 for which one? Both.
Yeah.
22/7 times 7. So this one you got 22.
Yes.
22 times 7 times 14. You get the 44. Yes, well done. So what is your answer then, Akil?
66.
No, you told me there's now this one. This one.
Oh yeah.
This one, don't forget. You-
70.
70. You told me, you told me you can do this. Okay, well done.
Forgot.
Okay, just remember, exam time, these small things they will give you marks lah for getting 66. They'll give you some marks, but you won't get full marks. You'll lose 2 marks lah. Okay, hold on. Let me go and clear this one. So it's not too tough lah. Rhombus, remember, rhombus is a secant square. So trapezium, this one is a trapezium. What is a trapezium? If you do not know, 2 sides are parallel. I just draw a simple trapezium for you. Like that, like that. Like the down here and here. Yeah, parallel. So this one. Can you see this whole thing is like a ziggurat? You know what's a ziggurat? Okay, I just show you. Have you seen a ziggurat before? See what is he talking about ziggurat? Okay, I'll show you now. Ziggurat is like a pyramid, but it's found in the yeah. Can you see the ziggurat? Like this. The Aztec, Incas, and all that, they have like that. A different type of pyramid. So it's like a trapezium. Can you see? It's like a trapezium down here. This side, right? It's a trapezium,
Yeah.
So it's made up of a few trapeziums. They are found where? They are found in
Arab.
no. South America. Brazil, Mexico. Yes. Okay, let's say ziggurat found in Mexico, let's say.
Mexico.
Mexico, yes. There. So theirs might be, the design might be slightly different.
This one's stone, not sand.
Yeah, stone. That's why they are wondering, how do they build all this? No? Even the pyramids, the stones are all huge.
They carve.
Yeah, that's what they say. But how do they transport the big stones? So I don't know. I think maybe they might even use I don't know whether they use genes or whatnot. So there's different types of, you see, there's different types of, they call it pyramids. So this is the pyramids that we know of, right? The one in Egypt.
Some they just use sand. It is easier to carve.
Oh yes, but then it's not strong, you see. This
Oh,
one
and
they use
they'll put like some structure something inside.
side. I
Yeah.
don't know how they, but I know for the Egyptian one, here you can see these blocks. No, it's blocks and the cut is like very straight. So people
It's
wonder, how do they do it? Some people ask. Well, we do not know what happened, but we know that they dabble in magic. I do not know how. And some people say this is the place where the UFO land and all that. The original big pyramids. There's 2-3 ages of pyramids, but anyway, never mind. So you don't just think pyramids is only in Egypt. You saw this now. Do you see that? Do you see what I show you that now? Okay, those who didn't see down here, this is got different places. You see?
Hey, why you change?
I just show you this one. Can you see that? In Iran, Iran is a different type of pyramid. Egypt down here. All right, this one in Iraq. In China also got like that, no? 210. China, Sudan, in Iran, Italy also they have something. Mexico, China, Indonesia also they have. So in the olden days, people are doing tombs like that. We do not know what is this. Okay. But anyway, All right. So they want you to find SZY. I will help you label the rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are the same. This side is the same as this side. It's the same as this side. It's the same as this side. These two angles are the same. Okay, I'm just labeling. When you get your paper, you do that also, say.
How to find that one? W and Y.
Okay, let's see. Yeah. This one you can find.
Yeah,
70.
70.
Okay, this one 70, yeah. 70.
Is it divide 70?
Wait. This one you can find, this one.
Yes.
180 minus 70, 70, you get 40, yeah. So this is 40 or so.
So the on top is all.
Same,
So
on top
40,
same. So this one you can find because these two are the same, right? Let me see, these two are the same, I believe. But
70. So that one is 70.
they didn't say, like, they didn't label properly actually. Okay, we have to assume these two are the same now.
50.
50, yeah. No, let's say this is 100
Oh,
degree.
that's the
180,
answer.
180 minus 40, you get
I give
140.
you the answer already.
What's, oh, hold on.
Okay.
So, yeah, this is, okay. Yeah, this is correct. This is 70. Hold on. Let me see whether you give the answer there.
Yeah,
I didn't
50.
see 50. But cannot be 50, what? S, Z, Y, down here. 50, okay, 50, yeah. 50 is correct. Okay, now how do we know this is 70, yeah? Let me just make, you can have the Z down here.
Because
You
once you 40 minus 180 equals 140. 140 divided by 2.
Okay. So let's say now they say, how do you know they are same? But you can see this one now down here, the Z. Because it's parallel, right? Down here is parallel to this. So for, the Z, remember the Z? These two will be the same. So 70 here, 70 here. And then what Akil says is correct, 180 minus 60 minus 70 is 50. Congratulations. Well done. Okay, that means if you are careful, you can easily pass your PSLE. Inshallah. Okay, we are not going to do this self-drawing.
At the same time, when the class very quiet, I sometimes fall asleep during the exam.
Hey, careful lah. Are you sure you ever done that before? PSLE, you won't do that. You
If
bring,
the class is not noisy, I easily fall asleep.
can you bring a water bottle? I forgot.
Can.
Can. Then you put something, not something inside. I mean, are you allowed to bring sweet water or something?
Like I can put it inside a water bottle that is not see-through.
Then you bring that, you drink that. It wake you up, maybe coffee or whatever. But you must have enough sleep before the night before. That means the night before, that's why maybe I gotta have the tuition earlier.
I did have enough sleep, but then suddenly I don't like it when they do the exam early in the morning.
What time was that? It was the exam be, do you know?
Usually straight, then my exam happened.
But for some students, it might be better, because they get very nervous. There's some people get very, very nervous. Okay. Okay, this is now in the piggy bank. This is like a tong saving thing. For every 450 Jane save in the piggy bank, mother would give additional 50 cents. It's quite easy. So every time she put in 450, mother give 50 cents. So altogether she have how much? You find out. Izzat, come on.
My door closed because of the wind. Then it made a very loud sound.
Are you sure it's the wind or is it something else?
It is the wind.
And after that, open up. All right, how many times must she put 450 inside your piggy bank before she reach her $100? That's what you need to know. It's not hard, not hard. You do it as a, okay. Every time you put 450 inside, mommy will put how much? 50 cents. So every time 450, you get 50 cents. So altogether, every time you put in, you'll be not 450, but $5. So how many $5 savings did she make? How many times? Then you can find. You find how many times. Shakil, come on. Don't give up, Shakil. Come on. Shakil, come on. I'll do for you a special dua. Look my hand. This is the special dua. What do you call this? Bid'ah. Syakir dah penat nak tidur lah. Syakir bangun. Aila salah. Aila falah. Tidur, hey. Syakir. Tengah-tengah. Okay, so you find how many times lah? How many times? Akil can do this, not Akil? You are the only one that now. So you find how many times she did. Take 100, divide by 5 lah, because every time you put in $5. Say why $5? She put in 450, mother put in 50 cents every time. So every time they will put in $5. So you divide by 5, how many times? Well, you divide by 5, get 20 times. Oh, means 20 times she put in $4.50. The mother will put in 50 cents 20 times. Yes. So what's the answer? How much money should she put? 20 times 50 cents. What you get? You get $10. Say, how can I do this so fast? Very simple. I can show you how to do this mentally. I'm doing the calculation mentally. How I get $10? You see, 20 times half a dollar. 20 times $1, $20. Divide by 2 lah, $10.
Oh.
Is it okay now? Hey, we got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. Come on. 10 minutes left.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
You understand how to do? No?
Yeah.
Just like half base times height. What I do, I don't follow the formula. No. Half times base times height is okay. I don't do like that. You know what I do?
What?
I take base times height first. Then the answer I divide by 2. Sometimes it's easier to do this way. Example, half times 6 times 4. Then people say half times 6, half times. Look, 6 times 4, 24. 24 divided by 2, 12. Finish. If you want to do mentally, you understand what I'm saying? It's half times base times height. You can just take base times height, divide by 2. Because half means divide by 2. Okay? So let's say someone going to cut me in half. That means he's going to divide me into 2 parts. That doesn't mean. But of course, we cannot be divided exactly into 2 equal parts. Cannot. All right. Question 27. Algebra. Come on, we'll be seeing each other another 6 more weeks to 7 more weeks time.
Right. What? Okay, never mind.
Shakil, come on, Shakil.
2n minus 11 4.
Okay, first of all, yeah, almost there. Minus 4. Why you get minus 4? Now this is 1 packet contain 15 sweets. 1 packet, 15 sweets. Okay. If it's 2 packets, how many sweets? 2 packets, how many sweets? You take 15 times
30.
Good. 15 times 2, right? Yeah, 30.
Yeah.
Good. Now there's 2n packets lah. What do you do 2n packets? How you do? Take 15.
2n plus.
Not plus, times. Because you see how you do? 2 packets is 15 times 2. 3 packets is 15 times 3. 4 packets is 15 times 4. 2n packets is 15 times 2n. See how to do like that. Okay, take 15 times 2, 30n sweets. So 30n and eat 11. 30n minus 11. This is a little bit tough lah. A little bit tough. This is what it is. Dah penat dah. Akil dah penat dah. Okay, 7 minutes more. 7 minutes more. Offer. 7 minutes. Syakil, don't give up lah, Syakil. Look, if you are able to concentrate until the end, you are going to pass, insyaAllah. But you see, aku dah penat lah. Aku ni sekolah ni aku dah penat tau. Aku tahu kau mau penat. Akil, Vu. Parallelogram,
Teacher,
Yeah.
teacher ada 1894.
I've not read the question. Have you read the question or not?
What's parallelogram?
Parallelogram like this, you have seen many times. The both sides are parallel. Okay, for example, like that. Sometimes they draw like that.
The parallel, like across like this, right?
Yeah, these two are the same. Yeah, these two are the same. And then these two.
Okay.
A square is a parallelogram. A rectangle is a parallelogram. No, but normally we don't call them parallelogram lah. But actually they are. Because opposite are parallel, opposite diagonal angles the same, diagonal angles the same.
Wait, does you like divide 94 into 2?
But how do you know this is divided by 2? We don't know. So we cannot say. But they tell you now, I label WU is the same as WT. What triangle is this? Come on, you know. Isosceles. So these two angles are the same. Now you can do. You can do these two angles are the same.
But I don't know.
Hey, you know lah. Down here you see this
Oh
triangle.
yeah.
You know. So you take how?
44 minus 94.
44 minus no. Step by step. 180 minus 88.
50?
No, 108. No, this triangle. This
44.
plus. You cannot just divide by 2. These two angles are the same. Dah penat lah this guy. Okay, that means how I'll show you. Down here is 88. These two angles at the bottom are the same. 180 minus 88, you get 92. 92 divided by 2, you get 47. 47. Is it 47? Sorry. 98.
Give extra time for my PSLE.
46. You got extra time PSLE. Why?
Some people, the MOE know that I quite slow in doing the last part of the exam.
Did they give the reason for it? You are quite normal. You are totally normal. Actually, you don't need that extra time. You can.
But when I write very slow.
Oh, you write slow. Okay, maybe because of that. But it's okay. Then you get free time. So down here is 46.
People in the aircon room.
But you and who you have quite a number of students lah. Not many, but I think there will be other students. You are tried sitting in the
during
room.
One of the during P5, there was this one person. He got so mad. He go take the chair like in the extra time room. He go take the chair, want to threaten somebody for him to throw the chair at the person.
Then how?
The person got sent to general office.
Yeah, gila lah. That means these are like beginning of cracks and all lah. Okay, anyway. This is 46, you understand, right? So now you know how to find VUW. Very simple. Come on, boys. I'm labeling it in red. Come on. You know what? You know this. You must be able to see this. Come on. See what? You can see this. Come on. Izzat, Syakil, Akil, come on. Don't give up. Come on. Remember, parallelogram, opposite diagonal angles are the same. So this, not Sapa is coming in. Akil went out. This is. So Akil, this is proof that your site is lagging. So these two angles are the same. This is 94. This is also 94. Welcome back, Akil. So this is 94, this is 94. So down here is 94. Yep. Hello. Can you hear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now can you see this is 94, this is 94. So the whole thing is 94 down here. Can you find VUW now? This is 94. Come on, guys. This is like the second last question, or maybe the almost the last question.
Oh, that one 94, now 46.
94 minus 46. Yes. Yes. Yes, Shakil. 48, eh? Yes, Shakil, you call me? Yeah. Apa lah dia call my name? 48. But you get it, no? You know how to get it, right?
Yes.
Because diagonally opposite angles are the same. This is a parallelogram.
Yeah, I understand.
You're alone in the house.
I understand.
Alhamdulillah. Well done. Okay, you must push yourself hard and don't tell yourself, alamak, aku ni come from madrasah, got so much to study. Okay, it's too bad. But you push yourself. Inshallah, one day you become someone very important, and then you'll be able to help the rest who are facing education the way you are facing. You can advise the parents. You can advise the teachers. You can advise your own madrasah. Okay, we try now. Very last question, question 29. Oh, wait. I think I give you something easier lah. This one might be a bit too tough.
That one.
This one.
So, and that one just now.
Which one? This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was something that she wrote? Two stuff more. Two stuff is.
Very easy. Akil can tell the answer, or anyone can tell the answer. Shakil can...
D.
Okay, let's see whether he's correct. Is that, do you agree with him? He walked one step north. North is up this way. First of all, we need north, south, west, east. Then 2 steps east.
The elephant spray water.
Yes. So answer is D. Okay, the last one now. John was at one of the landmarks. We do not know. He was facing east. He turned 45 degrees clockwise.
To the right.
Clockwise to the right. Yes. To the
Face
right.
F.
Face F.
At which landmark was John at? A.
Okay, let us see whether you're right. He was facing east, you're saying. 45, this is 90 degrees. So 45 is split into 2. So let's see. You'll be facing J.
Oh, then G.
G. Okay, let's see it now. He was facing east down here. And then he turned 45 degrees clockwise, which is this direction. This is 45 degrees clockwise. Congratulations, it is G. So guys, it's just another 6 more weeks only. 6 more weeks, and then we'll be saying goodbye to each other. All right. You know why I'm having this class, right? Because we are continuing from the center. That's why there's only 3 of you. I'm not putting anyone in. So this is the time you can ask me whatever questions you want. Okay. I mean, whatever you get from the school, you can ask. If you don't know, then we can go through here. All right, I'll catch up with you, all right? Sorry?
No.
My father forcing me to go Meridian Primary.
Meridian Secondary, you mean?
Yeah, Meridian Secondary. I want to go Springfield. I got accepted for floorball.
So why he wants you to go to Meridian?
Because it's nearer.
Yeah.
Why don't you cut a deal with him? Say, what do you call your dad? Abba, daddy. So
Abba.
Abba.
Yeah, Abba.
And then let us do a deal. Okay, I promise if I get this score, I go to Springfield. Is it okay? Do you agree? Come on, with a deal. Say, I pass my maths. Can we agree to that? Speak to him. You never know. You never. Most children don't speak to their parents. No, they do. They just.
I do.
Okay, you do. Then you come up with that deal.
I made a deal already. If I get a deal, they can give me. I get anything I want. If I get.
So you will ask for the school.
John,
Okay. Yeah, Shakil. Yes.
after secondary, right, if after PSLE, the graduate because secondary 1 ready, right?
Yeah.
The secondary 1 ready. Are you going to do the tuition again?
Tuition at the center.
Depends
Center
on your
no
math.
lah.
No, are you going to make a tuition on Wednesday or what?
Depends on your
No,
maths.
not Wednesday. I mean there'll be the Sec 1 tuition on Sunday. The classes are going to continue because there's quite a number of students I have. I have Sec 1 students going Sec 2, P6 or so, but you'll be online lah.
You're ruining my
Because
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday yeah. Okay.
You're ruining my afternoon.
Ruin ya. Aduh, kesian lah. Maybe we can reschedule.
Usually
This
on that day.
Friday night. Sec 1 class for this year is on Friday night from what time? From 8 to 9:30 every Friday night. I do not know.
8 to 9:30.
Malam. Too late. No, but never mind. Don't worry about this. Now that one we can adjust. The most important thing is not whether I teach you or not. The most important thing is you make it. You make it for your maths. And if you put in effort, you can make it for the maths. Inshallah. I'll be praying for you guys also. Okay, handsome lah. Apa itu dia tengok?
Just now my head hit the bed.
Aduh. Okay, Syakil, you don't worry about all that, okay? The important thing is you must put in effort and try. Okay? Okay, then we nyanyi nasyid together lah. I'll record. Okay, I'll record you the making of a nasyid singer. Boleh tak? I make a documentary about you lah. Do you see your mother in the documentary? You know? Your mother is inside the documentary. Apalah, I show you now. Just hold on. Very quickly, this is the documentary. Hold on, down here. Okay, if you go,
YouTube?
Yeah, it's on YouTube. You check Edutainment SG. This is the one. Hold on, Now you're gonna see your mom. Your mom will be there. Nampak ni?
What's the name?
Nampak tak? Okay.
I thought she's talking. I see this already.
Oh,
She
you see
never
this
talk.
already? She didn't talk lah. She didn't talk because I only used the owner only. So she spoke and then there are other people there lah. All right. So if you want to find this, you go to Edutainment SG. Okay, this is my documentary channel. Next time, inshallah, I might be doing a documentary on penulis Melayu Singapura. Maybe. Inshallah, if Allah wills, I'll be doing that.
Who's the penulis?
Banyak Suratman Makassar, Jamal Tokimin.
You?
No, penulis Melayu yang terkenal.
You're gonna do.
They're famous. I'm not a Malay writer, right? In English, I'm not terkenal. You see, this is people mengakui they all are very good writers. So Alhamdulillah, I've spoken to 8 of them, and if it happens, they will be featured lah. Let us see lah. Okay, I will catch up again. Okay, I got another tuition coming up. Assalamualaikum.